Hello, I'm here to talk about bulk licensing, a new feature in NetCloud. This capability is going to allow you to manage device licenses in one fell swoop. Bulk point licensing feature uses a wizard that will walk you through different steps to upgrade, downgrade, or even license or unlicense a large group of devices all at one time. This is going to save you time. Right now, it takes approximately 45 seconds for you to manage a single device's license. With this capability, you can do hundreds of endpoints at one time. And if you were to do, say, 100 endpoints, it would save you 75 minutes of managing your license. The other great capability of this feature is to be able to manage either your entire account. You could go ahead and select a specific sub-account, or you can even go down to the group level to pick a group of devices that you want to manage their licenses. For example, if you had a group for a specific department in it, which you may have used, that department may be in a sub-account, you can go ahead and grab that one and say, I want to use advanced because you want additional security per se. There is a limitation that you need to be aware of with this capability, is that if your account has hundreds or even thousands of devices, congratulations and we thank you. But as well, it may take several minutes to complete the licensing because it's going to go through each one of those devices that you've selected and apply that license. And it may take a little bit of time, but it will definitely take you not as long as what you may have experienced in the past. So let's see how we can use this thing. When I go to an account, I'm going to come back in here. I want to show you that right now we have Essentials licenses. We have 103 devices that are licensed with Essentials and 0 have Advanced. And you'll see that inside here, we have this change license capability. We've had that in the past, but that only allowed you to do one at a time and now allow you to do bulk. That capability is also available on the non-compliant. We have no non-compliant in this account, so the feature is not active. We also have unlicensed. The feature is here as well, change license. Again, we don't have any unlicensed devices, so it's not showing up. But we do have these devices, and I'm going to go ahead and start the wizard here. As you can see, it's going to start with the step 1 of this license, and this is going to walk you through this 4-step wizard on how to do these licenses. In this case, we're going to go ahead and upgrade to advanced. It's checking to see what product types I have in the account, so it knows what licenses may be available for this account to apply. We have Air 2200 devices only in this account, so we'll go ahead and select it. Now, this is when I can go ahead and, as an optional step, I can go ahead and select a sub-account if I would like to. Or if I don't select it, it's going to pick the entire account. And in this case, I want to do all the devices in it, so I get all 100 so you can see the performance. So I'm just going to leave it unchecked. This is just going to let you know that it may take a few seconds or even up to a minute, depending on how many devices you have in your account, to be able to determine how many of those devices types that you've selected are available in the account, sub-account, or group that you've selected, and then if you have the available licenses for that. So it's going to go ahead and do that check. As you see, I can get that spinner. It's going to go ahead and check to see how many licenses I have, how many devices I have. I have eligible devices right now is I have 103 that I could upgrade. I haven't selected any devices, and there's 203 licenses in the account that I could apply. I can go ahead and either select just random devices if I wanted to. If I have it by description or if I know the names, I can go ahead and select those. Or what I can do is I can go on here and say, well, I only want this page. And based on the page size we have, the page sizing that we have right now is 20 devices per page. Or I can go ahead and select all. I'm going to go ahead and select all because I want all 103. And as you can see, the devices selected changed based on what I have selected. Okay, I'm on step 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit next. When I hit next, it's going to say, okay, here's the number of devices that are going to be selected as 103, and I'm going to use up some of those 203 I have available. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and hit finish. As you're going to see, it's going to go ahead and show me all the devices I'm going to go into, and it's going to give me a status. And right now, it's running. And about every 15 seconds, it's going to go ahead and complete. As you can see, we just did 103 devices. It took us approximately 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and go back now to the subscriptions dashboard. And now you can see that the Essentials license I have 103 and the Advanced license is 103. And so you don't think I'm doing some magic here. Go ahead and refresh this page so you can see it will repopulate again. And we'll go ahead and go into here. And now you'll see that the Essentials licenses are applied. Those were already there, but now all of these devices have been gotten there advanced. And so I've shown you what bulk licensing in NetCloud can do. Go ahead and take advantage of it.